welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video we'll learn how we can do Python program in a mobile. First of all, to do Python program you have to download one application. That app name is pydroid, and you can download it from Play Store, or even you can search it in Google. And there are several other applications also which you can use to write Python program. Now in this video I am going to use pydroid. So when you open the application, the UI will be like this. To just display a simple line in Python program, suppose I want to display I love Python, then we will write print. After that, no space, directly comma. Then we can give either single or double inverted comma. Within that we will write whatever I want to display. So you can see this is the output, I love Python. And to run the program or to compile the program, we will use this play button. When you tap on the play button, you will see the output. So this is the way to display a single display a character on the screen. Now if we want to display any calculations, how we'll do it? For that we can do simply write print then within bracket we can write the number. When we are doing any calculations, then we will not use inverted comma. Suppose it is 2 plus 3. So let's see. You can see the output is as 5. Now if we want to do calculation of any other number, like it is 4 minus 5 or 4 minus 3, answer will be 1. We can use any other operator also. Now suppose it is 4 modulus. This operator will give us the remainder. Suppose I am writing 3. If we divide 4 by 3, the remainder will be 1. So answer will be 1. Now if we write here 4 divide 3, the answer will be 1.75 like that, or 1.333. Now if we use 2 divide symbol, which is known as floor divide, then our answer will be only 1. So you can see it is just 1. And now let's come to multiply. How we can do multiply in Python? Suppose I am doing only 2. For multiply we are using star symbol. 2 into 2 or 2 into 3. Answer is 6. 2 into 3, it is 6 only. Now if we do 2 double multiply symbol and 3, here double multiply symbol, what they do, they use as exponent or power. 2 in double into 3, that means 2 into 3, 2 into 2 means 2 3 times multiply. So then the answer will be 8. So it is 8. This way we can do calculations in Python. And what operator I have just showed now you here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, exponent, modulus. These are known as arithmetic operator. They need at least 2 operand. Now we will learn how we can create a variable and store value inside it. Now in your mind this question might come: what is a variable? It is a memory location where we can store values. When we define a variable in Python, we also have to give some values to it. We can't use a unused variable in Python. Suppose I am defining a variable a, and here I am writing equal 3. Here a is the variable name and 3 is the value inside it. Now I want to display the value of a. Then we will write print within bracket only a. So answer is only 3. So this way we can display we can declare numeric variable. Now how we can declare a string variable? Suppose I have one more variable, that is b equal, and when we declare a string variable in Python, we write just simply the variable name, and while giving the values to the variable, we'll write the values within single or double inverted comma. Suppose I am writing here hello. Now for printing multiple values together, we can use comma, a comma b. Let's see. So here you can see 3 then hello. So this way we can define a variable and we can display its value to the screen. Now suppose I have to write a Python program to accept name to declare two variables where we will store the name and the age of our user and display a customized message. Like if the name is Divya, then the output could be like Divya is 13 years old. So let's see how we'll do it. First we'll remove the previous all the commands. Here we'll first declare a variable name and we'll give the value as whatever name I want to give. Suppose it is Divya. And next variable name is age. Now here we will give the value as suppose 13. Now we have to display the customized message. For that we will write print. First we have to display the name, so we will write name, then comma. After that within single or double inverted comma we will write is, one space, then we'll come out from the closing quotation and we'll give another comma, and here we will write age. Again we will give comma, again we will give single inverted comma, one space, years old. So this way we can write a customized output on the in printf statement. So you can see the output is Divya is 13 years old. Now how we can take the input from the user? As you can see here, I am giving the value myself. Now suppose I have to collect the values from the user, not from myself. So how we will do it? For that what we will do, name equal, we will not write the value. Here we will write input. Input, and within bracket we will write a message like enter your name. And in age also, instead of the number we'll write input function, but as in age we are accepting number values, numeric values, we also need one more function, that is int. Within bracket again we will write input, again bracket, inside that we will write enter your age. Now when we run the program, we'll see the difference. It will accept us to enter the name. Suppose I am writing the name is Dia. Enter. Now age I am writing as 14. So you can see Dia is 14 years old. This way we can accept input. Now suppose we have to collect we have to declare two variables and we'll accept the values of it, and we have to display their sum. How we'll do it? For that, first we'll need two variables. Suppose my first variable is a, and here we'll write again equal int bracket, again input bracket, then we'll write enter the value of a. And for next variable, suppose my next variable is b, so we'll write b equal int, then input, here we'll write enter b. Then we'll come to the next line. Here we'll write one more variable, that is c. We'll write here c equal a plus b, and in printf we'll write the answer as print. Here we'll write, first we'll write give single inverted comma sum, then colon. After the inverted comma close, we'll give comma, then C. Now let's run the program. So asking me to enter the value of A, suppose it is 7. Then enter value of B, suppose it is 8. So the answer should be 15. Let's see. So you can see the answer is 15. Now what if we give the value as string? Suppose I am not writing the int part here, then what it do? I am removing the int part. Now let's run the program. Asking me to enter the value of A 5 and B is 6. So my answer should be 11. Let's see. But I am getting the answer as 56. Why? Because when we take input from Python, the values are stored as string. So we have to convert into integer. If we don't convert, they will treat as a word, and when we add two words, it come together. Like 5 is a character, 6 is also a character. So when we join them, it will be 56, not 11. So remember that. Now what if we need a decimal number to calculate? Suppose I have some decimal numbers to calculate, like 13.5 and 6.2, and I have to answer the answer in another variable. So instead of int, at first we will write here float, float bracket, and here bracket close. This line also will write float bracket and here bracket close. Now run the program. We'll give the value of A is suppose 12.5, value of B is 5.8. Now let's run the program. So the answer is 18.3. When you want to use decimal numbers like this, you will take the data type as float instead of int. Now one simple program. Suppose I have to find the area of a rectangle. So how we'll do it? For a rectangle we have two parts, L and B. So we'll take this one is as L variable, and we'll write here enter length. And here breadth, so we'll change the message and we'll write enter breadth. And the area would be like that, area equal L into B. and here will, instead of sum, we will write area, then we'll give comma as an area. Now let's run. Asking me to enter the length, suppose it is 23.5, breadth, suppose it is 12.8. now let's find the area. The area is 300.8. so this way we can do some simple program by using Python. In next video we'll talk about conditions, when how we can use condition. Here we just learn how to take input and output and display output. If you have any confusion, you can write in comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.